Welcome back to Factful Finance, where we empower you with the knowledge to turn your financial journey into a success story. Today, we're diving into a topic that's rapidly becoming a game changer for anyone using AI in their business or creative work. So let me ask you, have you ever created something with AI only to watch someone else copy it and profit from it? Sounds frustrating, right? Well, today, we're going to show you how to protect your AI-generated content from copycats, and even better, how to make money by harnessing AI to its full potential. This is part 36 of our How to Make Money with AI series, and trust me, you won't want to miss this. Let's jump in. AI is no longer the future, it's the present. From content creators to entrepreneurs, everyone is leveraging AI to generate unique work. But here's the kicker. Once something is out there on the internet, it can be easily copied. So how do you protect your AI-generated content from being swiped by copycats? And more importantly, how do you profit from it in a way that's both legally and financially rewarding? Let's break it down. First off, let's talk about intellectual property protection, the backbone of safeguarding your work. Think about it this way. You wouldn't leave your car unlocked in the driveway, right? In the same way, you need to lock down your AI creations. The most common way to protect your content is through copywriting. Copyright is a legal term that gives the creator of original work exclusive rights to its use and distribution. Whether it's text, images, music, or software, as long as your AI-generated content is original, it can be copyrighted. But here's where it gets tricky. While copyright protection automatically applies when you create something, registering it gives you an added layer of security. In the US, for example, registration with the US Copyright Office allows you to take legal action if someone copies your content. And speaking of legal action, trademarking is another layer of protection, especially if you're developing AI-based products or services that you plan to brand. Think about the logos you see on products. Those trademarks are legally protected, and you can do the same with any unique branding associated with your AI-generated content. Now, not all content is immediately protectable, and here's where things can get tricky. AI tools don't always produce content that fits neatly into copyright rules. For instance, if you're using a generative AI tool to write articles, you need to ensure that the AI isn't simply remixing someone else's work. That could get you into hot water. So if you're making money from AI-generated content, consider using AI content detectors that help ensure your work is original. It's also worth investing in plagiarism detection tools like Copyscape or Grammarly to double-check for any unintentional similarities to existing content. Here's a quick real-world example. Let's take a look at Liam. Liam used an AI tool to generate a guide for new entrepreneurs. He spent hours perfecting the content, making sure it was valuable and unique. However, within days, he found similar content being published under someone else's name. Liam wasn't happy about that, so he went ahead and registered the work with the US Copyright Office. This gave him the legal backup he needed to take action and prevent the copier from profiting off his hard work. But that's not all. Protecting your content from copycats is just the beginning. Now, let's talk about monetizing it. AI is an incredible asset for anyone looking to make money, but there are strategies you need to know to truly capitalize on your AI-generated creations. Subscription models are one of the best ways to generate consistent revenue from your AI content. Imagine offering exclusive AI-generated reports, articles, or art to paying subscribers. You can set up a Patreon-style subscription model where subscribers get access to premium content that no one else can copy. By doing this, you're not only protecting your work with a paywall, but you're also generating a steady income stream. Licensing. Your content is another huge opportunity. For example, let's say you create an AI-generated infographic that breaks down complex financial concepts. Instead of selling it once, you could license it out to websites, online courses, or even businesses who need it for their own content. This way, you're profiting from your work repeatedly without losing control over its ownership. And here's a strategy many people overlook. Patents. Yes, you can patent certain AI-generated inventions. If you're working on an AI algorithm that provides a unique solution to a problem, patenting it can give you exclusive rights to its use. This is especially relevant if your AI project involves new, innovative technology or processes that others might try to copy. Now, monetization isn't just about protection and legal strategies. It's also about finding your audience and building a brand. One of the most overlooked aspects of AI-generated content is marketing it properly. You have to make sure that people know your content exists and understand its value. Use platforms like YouTube, Twitter, and LinkedIn to showcase your work, engage with your audience, and build a community that values your AI creations. Think about Olivia, who used her AI-generated podcast to build a loyal following. She monetized it through ads and sponsorships, turning a simple AI tool into a full-blown business. But here's where it gets even more interesting. Selling your AI-generated content as NFTs, non-fungible tokens, is another frontier. NFTs provide a way for digital creators to sell exclusive rights to their content directly to buyers, cutting out the middleman. By minting your AI-generated content as NFTs, you can sell it to collectors or investors who want ownership of a piece of your work. This is an emerging space, but with the right strategy, it can be a lucrative one. Now let's pause for a quick tip. Diversify your income streams. Don't just rely on one method of making money. You can mix and match, offer subscription-based content, license your work, or even dabble in NFTs, all while protecting your content from copycats using the strategies we discussed. Multiple streams of income mean more security for you and your work. So let's recap. Protecting AI-generated content from copycats boils down to these key strategies. 1. Copywriting and trademarking your work. 2. Using plagiarism detectors to ensure originality. 3. Consider patents if your AI solution is groundbreaking. 4. Monetize through subscriptions, licensing, or NFTs. 5. Build a strong brand and audience. Remember, AI isn't just about making money. It's about making money sustainably. With these tools and strategies, you can protect your AI-generated content, ensure you retain control, and create multiple streams of income that keep your financial future secure. If you found this valuable, drop a comment below. How are you using AI to create content? Let's chat about it. Want more breakthroughs like this? Make sure to subscribe and hit the bell so you never miss out. And if you're serious about taking your finances to the next level, don't miss our next video. It's a must-watch. Until then, keep making those smart moves. Disclaimer: this content is for educational purposes only and not financial advice. Mentioning any apps, products, or services is not an endorsement. Always consult a certified financial professional for personalized guidance.